left, drop it. Towards the right, drop it.
Oh, oh gosh, that felt amazing.
Give me a push. So I'm going to start by adjusting right in the mid-back first, okay? Okay, go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. Now I'm going to give you a push. Very good. One more time for me. All the way out. Very nice. Now one more time. All the way out. Very good. We're going to go right on top of the elbow there. Perfect. Now I'm going to have you just scoot this bottom hip closer to the front. Perfect. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold you back here. My legs are going to go on top of yours. You're going to feel me just rolling you towards me, okay? So I'm going to hold you back. Okay, go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. And we're going to do a nice little drop here as well. Deep breath in. All the way out. Very nice.
Good to go.
Check that right behind. All right, same thing here, okay? All the way back. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. How'd that feel?
That's good.
Okay, release. Okay, so I'm gonna also do another drop here, okay?
Okay.
Just get my position here. And deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. So you're gonna feel me do a little slight pull towards me. So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Just relax it. Drop the head down for me.
Oh, oh gosh, that felt amazing.
Did you get a good release down the spine on that?
Uh-huh.
Nice. That was a loud one too.
Yeah.
Awesome. I just lift up. Yeah, all the way down. Yeah, that's one of my favorite adjustments.
That was one of my favorite to watch.
So a little pull here. Very nice. Same thing. Very good. Bend the knee for me. Very good. Just relax the leg for me. Very good. Same thing to the knee. Relax it. Perfect. All the way down into my hand. Just relax that shoulder there. Now just give me full control of the neck here. Do me a favor and just drop it to the left, drop it. Very good. How'd that feel?
It felt amazing.
That was a loud release.
Yeah, it was.
Awesome. All the way down to my hand. Just drop that shoulder for me, please. Good. Now do me a favor and just drop it towards the right, drop it.
Oh my gosh.
Very nice. Wow.
Yeah,
That was a big release.
that was.
How did that feel?
That was even better than the last one.
Awesome. So just relax it for me. Very good. Same thing here. Awesome. Just relax it there. Just relax it here. Perfect. Awesome.